Earn $50 to $100 per account. Join the Ducat Testnet. Today, you can earn between $50 and $100 per account by simply joining the Ducat Protocol Testnet today. Yes, it's completely free to join and start earning. Whether you're a new user or an experienced one, everyone is welcome to participate. What is Ducat? Let's begin with what Ducat actually is. Ducat is a Bitcoin native Layer 1 stablecoin platform. While their official X, Twitter account only briefly mentions this, we've gathered additional information from other reliable sources to give you a clearer picture. Why should you join Ducat? Because the Bitcoin Layer 1 network is still new, and so far, only 2 projects have launched in this ecosystem. One of them is Ducat. What makes Ducat interesting is that, unlike many others, it's not centralized, it's fully decentralized. And here's the big news. The project has already secured $4 million in funding, which is a significant amount and a strong indicator of its potential. Earn Quanta points. More points. Bigger airdrop. By joining Ducat, you can earn points called Quanta, which will later be converted into their native token. The more Quanta points you earn, the larger your airdrop reward will be. Stay connected for future updates. If you're new to our YouTube channel, make sure to subscribe and stay with us. To get all upcoming updates before anyone else, follow us on Telegram and Twitter X. You'll find the links to both platforms in the description below. How to join. To get started, copy the joining link from the description. If you're on a laptop, open the link in Chrome browser. If you're using a mobile, use the Mises browser. Then, simply follow the steps shown in the video and start working. For that, make sure to configure the wallet settings properly. Click on the Bitcoin logo, then select the second option. Go to Settings, navigate to Address Type. Select the Taproot P2TR address. Finally, click on Connect Wallet to link your wallet. Complete registration. Click on Register, and a sign message will be sent to your wallet. Simply sign the message, then click on Join Done to complete the process. Next, go to the Vault option, claim your Bitcoin faucet. The faucet will credit your account shortly. Then go to Earn Quanta and proceed to go to Mission. Complete the second mission onwards to earn 10,000 points. Skip the first mission. The missions are: second mission, connect Discord. Third mission, connect Twitter. Fourth mission, connect Telegram. Important, your Telegram account must have a username set. Otherwise, the task will not be marked as complete. Make sure to add your username on Telegram before completing this mission. Next, proceed to Mission 3. Join their Discord server and send a message in the GMGN channel. This will earn you an additional 10,000 points. Complete the tasks on their Twitter X. Join their Telegram channel. Once all these are done, you can mark Mission 3 as complete. About Task 2, temporarily unavailable. For Task 2, you need to borrow first, then repay, deposit, and withdraw. However, currently, these functions are not working due to server downtime. Once the server is back up, we will share a short video guide on our Telegram channel and Twitter. Meanwhile, complete as many of the other tasks as you can. The earlier you join, the more points you earn, and the bigger your airdrop reward will be. If you found this video helpful, please like the video, leave a comment, and share it with your friends. For future updates, don't forget to follow us on Telegram and Twitter. Thank you for watching.